Well, basically decided I'm sick of my roll cage how it is. No, actually I'm taking the freaking high back fake ass racing seats out and putting my low backs back in that I covered with real leather. They're hella nice and comfy. So I need to reconfigure this so I can run my harnesses, because I don't like freaking getting hurt when I get T-boned by dipshits in their pickup trucks out in the middle of fucking nowhere in the hills. It's happened too much. Anyway, so this is what I'm doing. Have that, you know. What was I lying about? Oh yeah. So, you know, I had to do the regular clutch tube repair in the tunnel, so there's that shit. And then I did some little legs that are coming off in the front. I'm gonna go ahead and patch these up. Little chingaladeros back here, back there. You know, whatever, just stuff. Little, when I first taught myself how to weld, little patch panel I did under the battery tray. I'm doing some sound deadener stuff, and then made these tabs and welded them on for my anti-submarine belts. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. Bug shit. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Guess I'm gonna start filming this crap though. Got nothing better to do, man. Did some, you know, little dampening. Kind of got a little bit of a system. Maybe I'll slap it on here too. All right, man. Later.